Wow, what we have here is the gun emplacements. During World War II, North Head was one of the most heavily fortified sites in Australia. And this was where a 9.2 inch gun, heavy gun, was emplaced. And this particular gun had a range of 28 kilometers. This is obviously a hoist here. There's a whole lot of tunnels under here that's been connected to. Wow, there's a board here with the different types of tools. World War II, with the invasion of New Guinea, Australia was very much under threat of Japanese invasions. Darwin was bombed in 1942, and so some parts of Western Australia. And in 1942, the Japanese actually attacked Sydney Harbour with 3 midget submarines, sinking 1 ferry, killing 19 sailors. They missed a US battle warship that was anchored nearby. But all subs were destroyed. 2 of them were found. 1 was missing for about 70 years till they found it not far off the coast of New South, just not far from here. That particular sub is now a dedicated war grave, so its location is now kept secret. But yes, these would have been interesting times during the Second World War. Cruise shelter and accommodation. And it would have been pretty hot in here, and I can feel the heat in here. And this was the gun that was placed here. Big shells. So the gun was taken away, dismantled in 1960. Wow. It was cut up and sold for scrap. It would have been interesting times here during the war.